The Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook. Hello to all my crafty creators. I am Felicia with the Crafting Nook, and today I will be attempting to do a clock, okay? I want to start off for my base. I'm using mica pigment. It's in the color of light lilacs from Laura's Art Corner, okay? This is one of the gifts for my birthday, okay? So let's, oh gosh, that, look how, oh, y'all see? Wait a minute, let me stand up. Do you see that? How it just, I hadn't seen mica powder like that before. Oh wow, that's awesome sauce. Y'all please excuse my voice. I do have a cold. And so, I want you to just bear with me with my little cold, okay? With my little cold. I'm trying to get more of a tannish hue to go along with this. But at the same time, I love it. Like, you can't really see what I see. But it's beautiful. Such a beautiful color. This deep taupe, because I do love this color. I do. So I hope you can still see. Come on out of there. I think that's all I'm gonna put in. I don't want to take away. Just adding a little bit more color to it. I'm searching for a nice deep taupe paste. I want that a lot. So this right here is not completely how do you say it? I don't know how to say this color now. But it still has a pinkish hue to it. I don't quite see all the way through it. A little bit more. Okay. Let's see what that does. It's like when I'm searching for a color, that's just what it is. I have to find that particular color that I'm looking for. Okay, so now this is a little bit better. Okay. Yeah, that's a little bit better. I think that will work. Of this Dust Light Crystal by Mayspring. I don't think I have this one open yet. See how pretty that is? It's really pretty. I only need a little bit because that one I'm taking just a little bit in there. So this is what I'm going to use. Okay, might have been too much, but it's done now. Okay. This Dust Light Crystal is pretty. It's really pretty. It has hues of like a pinkish tone, purple. It's just really pretty. Okay. So those two colors in clear. This will be my base coat. What I'm going to start off with, and I'm going to pour directly in the center. Okay. Pour directly in the center. Oh gosh, that color is so beautiful. So beautiful. Okay. Well, let's mix that right there a little bit. Okay. Pour this in the center. And then Gonna come with a little bit of clear to push it all out, or out as far as it'll go. Okay. Forgot to wipe my little spatula off again. Okay. Let's get all this clear out. Oh, that's so soft and pretty. Very soft. I see a little bubble right here. Okay. And now I'm gonna come with the, what color was this? Dust Light Crystal. Right here in the center. I'm gonna try to stay centered. Okay, trying to see, is it all gonna push out to the edges? All right. Okay, this is what I want to do, and that's what it's gonna be. Let's see. Make sure I can scrape all of this out, which it is. All right. Now, I'm just gonna let that continue to flood over on the edges, okay? Just let it flood over. Take my heat gun, put a little bit of heat to it. Just a little bit of heat. This purple, just gonna let it spread a little bit more. So it can almost reach that really nice pink color. Okay. I'm gonna let it sit just like that. Let it do whatever it wants to do. Okay. This side here, just trying to get this even. I'm gonna leave it. Oh, I have a little bit of bubbles right here. Okay, leave it alone. Leave it alone. So now what I'm gonna do is just let this stay as it is. Oh, better yet, I might need to take you down a little bit. So you see what May Spring has done? Yeah, very nice. So we'll be back. Zoom in a little bit. We'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Now, this is not cured just yet. And so is the purple eggplant mica. That's also from Laura's Art Corner. So I got my tweezers, and I'm gonna try to do this carefully as I can because, you know, I don't want to really make a mess. Okay, so that's okay. The first one down. And let me go down here to the 6. Okay, I'm gonna put this one down first. All right, and kind of put this one kind of staggered. All right, I went through and got some bigger pieces out, so hopefully it will be okay. I'm gonna guess that the 3 is right there. Oh my gracious, y'all, please excuse my voice. This cold is not treating me so well. Don't know why, but it's ratchet, honey. Ratchet. So now we're gonna go over here and do the 9. I hope I'm okay for the 9. Just gonna put that there like that. To see what's going on here. Okay. That's the eggplant mica. See that piece of dust? It'll be gone after a while. And that's another piece there. It's another piece. And there. Okay. So what I'll do is, that reflection is killing me. Ugh. But I will be back when I figure out what I'm gonna do next, okay? Okay, guys, I am back. Now, I did something, I don't know whether it's gonna work or not, but I'm using the Iridescent Glitter Dust Blue Lilac, and I mixed about 10 milliliters of resin in here, okay? So being that I don't have a steady hand, I'm gonna try to use this bottle. Now I did cut the bottle a little bit more so that I can try to get it to, you know, work. So here goes nothing. Let me try it. Get it down. Let me try again. I got to concentrate, y'all, okay? Just got to concentrate. I'm squeezing the devil out of it, too. Okay, and once again, it's still not totally, y'all concentrating. It's still not totally, oh goodness, did I do something? What did I do right there, y'all? Oh gracious. Hope that gets back right. Let me see. Okay, wait a minute. I'll put some more resin in here. I got some already made up. Okay. And let me get my stick. Stir it up a little bit. Just so I can see, can I get an easier flow? Going again. Oh, it's coming out fast now, y'all. Ooh. It's okay. I made it. I made it, y'all. I made it. Now, whew, whew. I did it, y'all. I did it. Do I need one more? Or leave it like that? Leave it alone? Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. I'm gonna leave it. I'll take you down a little bit. Okay, so you can see, you know, we have all of this stuff going on, and I think it's gonna be nice. I think. Just gotta see. So we'll be back. I'm back, y'all. Still don't feel the best, but I'm here. I am here, honey. So I have this Door Clear Gloss Varnish from Deco Art. This is what Nadia uses. So I'm gonna try to after I got off the camera last night, or whenever it was, the night before, I don't know. But anyway, I didn't like how I filled this in. I didn't like that. So I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change it. I don't like it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let me add, I got 10 milliliters of glitter. Probably way too much, okay? Way too much. But I'm gonna see what happens. Let me, ooh, did I put too much of the gloss in? No, I don't think so. Okay. I'll put some more in. Another good squeeze. Okay. Now, I think that this is nice. I might need to put some more in. I want a good consistency. I think it might be okay. Just a couple of more dots. Right. I think this is a little bit more better. Should I put some more in? Oh my gosh. I don't know. Y'all, please excuse the sniffles and stuff with the cold. All right. Please excuse it. And my breathing. My breathing is not the best. I'm thinking it might be enough. I don't know. It might be enough. I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna go with it. If it's not enough, I'll add some more. Now I have one of my detail brushes that I got a while ago from somewhere. I don't know whether I got them from Amazon or Walmart. So I'm gonna take and try to get some of it covered up. Try to let some stretch out longer. I don't know. I might be making a mess. I think first I want to get this filled in. So I don't want that. I really don't. I don't want that. Some people can get this thing so perfected. Like Nadia with Lydia Designs, she got this thing down to a T, you know? It's awesome. I'm gonna keep going in this little band here to try to get that covered up. But then I'll go back and see, can I get some little streaks to come out? Might be kind of hard, but I'm gonna try it. Something like that, maybe. because I don't like that the other color that I put in there. I like it, but I don't like it for this design. Okay, just don't. Not for this design. So I won't hold you on this part, but this is all I'm gonna be doing, filling it in, going around, getting it nice, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I got all of that on, and it's not perfect, but it's okay. So I was looking to see about y'all remember I bought these a long time ago. I wanted to use these little pearls as numbers. Okay, so let me see what one would look like up here. Not even in the right spot. Like that maybe? Or should I just use the white ones? It can work. And maybe just because I don't have like all of them that exact purple color. Be still. Maybe I can. Honey, this thing don't want to get in the little tweezers. So I'm gonna go here and try to turn it a little bit. Maybe like that. Ooh. And try to roll away, honey. No, 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 not that side. This side. This side. Hopefully I'll find the right spot. Okay. This one is I'll use that. Oh, this thing almost dry, y'all. Yeah, it's almost dry. We'll stick that one right there. And we're gonna we'll go with this one right here. This pinkish looking color. Oh. Like, it's not hardly turning no purple at all. Am I missing one? No? Okay. Hey, you. Get right, you. I'm gonna turn it like that. How y'all like that so far? That'll work? That'll work? Y'all think so? You see, I'm looking. Look like this need to come over a little bit, or this need to go right there maybe. I hope nobody don't depend on this one to tell the exact time, because I don't know where this gonna do it. I just estimated where they should go. Okay. So now I do have little ones that could possibly go in between those, like for the seconds, but I don't think I want to deal with messing with them because you see they're all kind of colors. I won't be able to find all those colors. I won't. Can't put that in there yet, just yet. Okay. So this is almost dry. Nadia says, you know, she wait 24 hours and stuff like that. And I may wait a few hours, but I don't know whether I'm gonna wait 24. Okay, I just don't know whether I'm gonna do that now. Make this bead stay in place. Oh gosh, I'm really making a mess. Well, should have left it alone. Stay in place right there. Or maybe I should wipe this off and then go around it with the Door Clear gloss varnish. So I'm just gonna try to drip it so it can just go off to the sides, because I want it to stay in place. Honey, this might not have been a good idea. I don't know. It dry. She says it dries clear though, so you know, I'm not gonna fret or worry about that. I just wanted something to keep it in place. For like when I pour my resin on top for my top coat, I want it to stay put. Okay. Just put in some and just let it roll off to the sides. That's fine by me. Put a little bit more here. Just let it go around and fall down. Oh my goodness, I have missed y'all so freaking much. Like a whole lot. A whole lot. Okay. So we're gonna let that just fall on over wherever it is. So take you down. So how you like those pearls and stuff? Those pearls added up there. You think it's okay? I think it's okay. It still blends in. And I think it'll work. I think it'll work. Sorry about that reflection. Okay. Just like trying to let you see it from other little directions and stuff. That's a lot of space right there. Ugh. What about it? What about it? Okay, I'll be back, y'all. Okay, I am back, y'all. Y'all know what? Y'all remember I was doing this light lilacs. I wonder, is this light has the consistency of a glow in the dark. So I wonder, did I mistakenly get a glow in the dark? I'm putting the light up to it for a minute just to see, because I'm so curious about that. I was thinking after I had got it done, I said, you know, no, it ain't no glow in the, let me see, make sure. It ain't no glow in the dark. Let me sit down in my chair for a minute. I get so out of breath. Uh-oh, y'all. I don't know. I can't tell. I can't tell, but it's a thought, and I'm gonna check it out later. But I do have my I didn't wait for this to dry completely, but it's dry to the touch. Okay. Hopefully it won't mess up anything with my me doing a top coat on it. I hope not, but you know, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it. Go for it. So this right here was 80 milliliters. I have some more in my other cup too. So I just got to get all of this out first though. Right. This is what I mean about me being impatient. I shouldn't be impatient when it comes down to getting things done and getting it done the right way. I guess if it was something that I was selling or something like that, then I probably would, you know, have greater patience. But something that I'm just doing, trying for everybody to see, you know, I just don't got the patience. Let me get around these edges here. I think this was 40 milliliters, what I have here in the cup. Okay. I still may need more. Looks like I might need about this much more. Just to be sure that I have everything covered. So everything is not covered. Okay, I'm back. Now I have it filled up, like totally filled. And I have it so filled that I gotta be careful how I use my heat gun, because it may just kind of blow off out of the edges or whatever. So if it does that, I'll just, you know, start from high and then go down. Okay, start high up. It looks like everything is just right. You know, the resin is gonna shrink a little bit, so you have to just make sure that you have enough so when it does shrink, you'll still have it to dome. Okay, I have a little fluff here and there that I'm picking out. Let's see, can I squeeze you in? Okay. Remember when I was saying doming? Okay. You can, right there, you can see it there. So it looks like it's coming out, but it's not. See there? How I have it domed? Okay. And I've got it like that all the way around. If the reflection, you know, you can see from the reflection. But this is it until I take it and demold it, do my little edges and things, and put the hardware in. I am back, everybody. So time to demold. Okay, let's demold, let's demold, let's demold. Still sound horrible, but it's okay. Let me see. Turn my computer back on. All right. Let's see what we got. I tried not to get any overage, so we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, it's going nice. All right, very nice. And I'm gonna take in this little part right here. I'm gonna get that out. I'm gonna go through the front, I guess. I'll drill it out and get my clock pieces. But first I'm gonna go ahead and trim the edges. Let's see, I want to go on the top first. Can you still see? Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna get my edges trimmed. Remember, half on, half off. Okay. I think this is gonna be lovely. At least that's what I'm hoping. Okay. Get it turned around a little bit. Oops, got that on my finger. Guess I'll hold it like this and still go around the edges. Making sure that I don't touch the other part. Now, is that an overage there? It is. It's a little bit. I'm gonna leave it there. How about that? Okay. Let's see here. I'm going around my edge, so I gotta watch my fingers over there. The chickens all say hello. How y'all doing? It's early morning. Early morning. I think that this is gonna be okay. I'm debating on if I want the sides done as well. I might do them. I don't know. Hope I'm still in frame. Got a bad habit. You know, sometimes I get out of frame. Okay. So that looks even all the way around. Think I should do the edges? Yeah. I'm gonna do them. I'm gonna do it. Okay. And hopefully I can just stand here and get it done. I'm not good with holding this. That turned out nice. Just gotta hold it so I won't mess it up. Turned out nice, right? Just gotta be careful not to get it on anything. So, it's getting all over my hands. I better put it down and put it halfway out on the table. And I'll be right back. Okay? Okay, y'all. I got it put together. This looks blue, but it's not blue. See, it has that color shift in it. So, I didn't have the hammer paint for the hands on the clock. So, I just took and dabbed it to make it look like it's hammered. But I think it turned out nice. I'm just trying to show you the different reflections that the clock can turn. Like, it's a silverish looking color, it's a purplish looking color, it's a bluish looking color. standing straight up, it looks like it's a pinkish looking color. So it turns a lot of little colors, and I think I like it. I think I'm satisfied with it. The only thing I need to do is take it all back apart again so that I can seal the 2021, the Crafting Nook. I need to seal that in, but outside of that, y'all tell me what y'all think, okay? Leave it down in the comments. Let me know how you like it, and always stay positive. Bye.